Let's clear something up right away. The idea of having passive income over 50 is not a myth. But I do want to say passive does not mean you're not working. Passive means that you created something that then collects money. So when I'm on vacation, I make money. When I'm on vacation, I get leads, I get clients. If you're over 50, what is a good way to do that? And give you some ideas. I'm getting older, and it's always good to have something on the side in case of layoffs or extra money or retirement fund, right? That type of thing. So let's think about passive income for you. MRR products are master resale rights products. So those are digital products. It could be a course that you take from somebody, and then you get the rights as the client to resell them. So that is something that a lot of people are doing. Some of these product creators, they give you, like a tiny percentage. Some of them, it's a big percentage. So definitely do your research. Make sure you read reviews, testimonials, so you get one that actually is legit. Some of these are not. And it's something that you want to sell and something that you would feel comfortable reselling. So, for example, I'm in marketing and I sell digital marketing consulting. So, for me, that makes total sense where I find a product that I just love and they have maybe marketing tools and templates and stuff like that. I take that course and then I resell that. Number two, you can do it yourself. You can have your own courses. You can have a membership. You can sell ebooks. There's all kinds of ways to do that. So, for example, if you moved from one country to another and now you went from America to Spain and now you're an expert in Spain, you can write an ebook on how to move to another country. You can have a membership where you help people on getting acclimated to the new culture. There's a woman I talk about sometimes. I just love her story. She literally teaches people how to make candied apples. She makes over six figures. She makes a lot of money. And that's all she does. She teaches people how to make candied apples. So for me, I have a couple of courses. I have a course on how to create a web page. I have a course on how to do AI search visibility to make sure that your website is brought up in AI searches. Those are two courses. Then I have a membership called Impact, where I help you start and scale your business. So that is a membership that is ongoing. Digital products is a great way to go still in 2026 and 2027. The next thing is affiliate marketing. For example, I use vidIQ, which is a video tool for research and stuff like that for my YouTube channel. And I use Kajabi, where I have all my courses, I have my website, I have my email marketing, and I'm an affiliate for them. So every time that somebody asks me about tools like this, I tell them, I'm like, listen, I'm an affiliate, so I do get paid, but these are really good tools. I can also help you set them up. Here's the link. And then if they click on that link and buy it, I get paid. So affiliates is a cool way to do that. Amazon has an affiliate program. You can literally pick your favorite makeup brands or makeup products that you like, and you can build an Amazon affiliate page. There's all kinds of affiliates you can do. So that's also a good idea for some income. While before I tell you four and five, I do want you to think about, like, a lot of these things make a little bit of money. So you could do multiple of them. Why not be an affiliate for certain products? Why not do the MRR for a certain course? Why not have your own like ebook? Like, you can also have multiple of these things, and then you have a little bit money here and there. There's someone that is fantastic. She writes books, she gets money from that. She does courses, she gets money from that. She creates courses on other people's platforms, she gets money from that. And then she does teaching locally and she gets money from that. And it's a lot of incomes, and none of them are big on their own, but together they make up a giant income. So think about that. And before we go to four and five, if you liked any of these ideas already, please like this video. This is how I get paid. And also subscribe, and then you can get the next videos. I talk a lot about passive income, small business ideas, and then I talk about how to market and how to sell and how to actually make money. So you're in the first step. It's like the idea step, like what do you want to create? And then the next step is marketing and selling, which is also on this channel. Let's talk about number four. Guess what? Where are you at right now? It's YouTube. YouTube actually pays you, but you have to have a lot of videos, a lot of watch time, a lot of subscribers before you get paid. For example, if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of watch time and you don't have a lot of subscribers, you can sell number one, two, and three that we just talked about on the channel, right? You can talk about that. You can be like, oh yeah, I'm an affiliate for this product. You should check it out. And then send people to that affiliate link. So you're getting paid while you're doing a YouTube video. Once you grow your channel and you have a certain amount of watch time and a certain amount of subscribers, then actually YouTube pays you. If you play ads on your channel, they actually pay you. So it's a really cool way to get money. It is something you have to do a lot. You have to grow. It takes a long time to grow it. So it's not for everybody. You got to stay consistent and actually show up and really have a shit ton of videos that come out. Number 5 is communities. So communities are really cool because what is happening now with everybody being behind a computer screen and with AI, people are starting to want to be around people again. So you can do all kinds of communities. So for example, if you are big into crafts and maybe you change up your crafts all the time, this was actually a community I thought about doing, but I didn't do it. So you can take my idea. I wanted to have a craft community where twice a month we meet on a Zoom like this. So it doesn't have to be in person, and we all craft together. One day we make pens with pom-poms, and other days we make diamond art, and we all do it together. And then maybe each one has a topic. You could do community, you can do a book club community. A lot of them are for free. So you would have to think about, like, maybe you become an affiliate of the books or something on Amazon, or you make it somehow more special so the community makes more sense. So let me know which one of these sounds the best to you. Leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks so much. See you in the next video.